Hello and welcome to my presentation for Parallel Computing, a case study on mutual exclusion.
We address a problem occurred in distributing system. Through this paper, we will discuss about the certain type of the approach used and the solution to the problem occurred that different mutual exclusion algorithm can do.
Mutual exclusion describes a process for concurrent access to a shared resource or data with a mutually exclusive execution. Only one process is allowed to execute critical section anytime. This algorithm deals with unpredictable delayed message and incomplete knowledge of the system. The basic approach used is token-based approach.
Mutual exclusion is a fundamental problem of a distributed system. It is a program object that prevents simultaneous access to a shared resource. This concept is used in concurrent programming with a critical section, a piece of code in which processes or threads access a shared resource.
Background, history and methods.
History. The requirement of mutual exclusion was first identified and solved by Ernst W. Dijkstra in his seminal 1965 paper titled Solution of a Problem in Concurrent Programming Control, which is credited as the first topic in the study of concurrent algorithms.
The methods are such as Peterson's algorithm, Bloch's algorithm, Lamport's bakery algorithm and Kantor-Chocki algorithm.
5 paper reviewed. Here are the 5 research papers that I've reviewed. RP1. This paper aimed to minimize the number of priority without using starvation. Kantor-Chocki algorithm are used to solve problem. The main idea of this algorithm is by tree labeling heuristics. Second paper applies an approach to Lamport's bakery algorithm in the safe register SWMP model. It explains the goals obtained despite the use of safe registers. The improved version of this algorithm called Blanguery algorithm is proposed to be free of any unnecessary blocking. In this paper, a token-based fully distributed algorithm with token asking method for distributed mutual exclusion is proposed. This algorithm uses logic structure in the form of 2D array which imposed in the interconnecting network. The main idea of this method is from the total nodes of DS, some nodes know the exact location of the token and forward directly to the token holding node. PK is the token holding process and it is executing its CS. There is only one non-token holding process. Next, this paper discuss on 2 questions related to FCFSME algorithm that use only read-write operations. 3 simple algorithm are being discussed. First algorithm is called atomic algorithm using only 3 shared bits per thread. Other 2 algorithm are called non-atomic algorithm and highly fair non-atomic algorithm. In this paper, a study of Peterson's algorithm and Bloch's algorithm while another algorithm are proposed. The main idea of algorithm is every process should promote the other processes waiting for the CS by releasing the waiting processes between the stages 1 and J-1 inclusive.
Research progress.
Search more articles about mutual exclusion algorithm for distributing system from the internet. Next, abstract all necessary points from the articles related. Then, create EndNote database for the reviewed articles and citation and start developing the PowerPoint and presenting the summaries about the papers.
My future work will be preparation on draft report paper with the help of Turnitin. And next finalize the report paper after all the redo or recorrect are being made.
Here is my research planning project throughout this semester. End of my presentation. Thank you and hope you enjoyed.
Created using Powtoon.